Welcome to Lakshman Biology. In last class, we have discussed about the megasporogenesis. Megasporogenesis means formation of a megaspore from megaspore mother cell. Again, we have discussed about the formation of embryo sac from the megaspore also. In this class, we will discuss about the structure of embryo sac. Structure of embryo sac. See, embryo sac also called as female gametophyte. Female gametophyte or embryo sac structure we have to discuss now. If you see the embryo sac which is formed from megaspore contain 7 cells and 8 nuclei. Number of cells are 7 cells and number of nuclei are 8 nuclei. Then what are the 7 cells and what are the 8 nuclei present in embryo sac we have to discuss now. See carefully, students. In the 7 cells, 2 cells are synergids which are present at micropylar end. 2 synergids. Then apart from that, there is one egg cell. See, at micropylar end, embryo sac contain 2 synergids and 1 egg cell. 2 synergids and 1 egg cell combinedly called as egg apparatus. Egg apparatus. That are 3 cells which are present near to micropylar end. Then 3 cells are present at Chalazal end. 3 cells are located at Chalazal end. That 3 cells are called antipodals. These 3 are antipodals or antipodal cells. At micropylar end 3 cells and at Chalazal end 3 cells. Total 6 cells. Then there is one cell which present at middle. This is one cell. This is one cell at middle. This cell is called central cell. Actually, each cell in embryo sac contain one nucleus. Here, each synergid contain one nucleus. One egg cell contain one nucleus, and each antipodal cell contain one nucleus. But central cell, which present at middle, contain 2 nuclei. Two nuclei are present at central cell. Those are called polar nuclei. Later, these polar nuclei fuse together and form the secondary nuclei or secondary nucleus. That is about the 7 cells and 8 nuclei which are present in the embryo sac. Once students will count the cells, 3 antipodals plus 1 central cell. This one is central cell. 3 plus 1, 4 and 2 synergids. 4 plus 2, 6 and 1 egg cell. 6 plus 1, 7. Total 7 cells. Then number of nuclei now we have to count. 3 nuclei in antipodals, 2 nuclei in central cell. 3 plus 2, 5 and 3 nuclei in egg apparatus. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 nuclei. Then if you see the synergids, there is a special thickenings which are present on synergids is called filiform apparatus. Filiform apparatus. That filiform apparatus helped for the guide for the entry of pollen tube into the embryo sac. That is about the structure of embryo sac or structure of a female gametophyte. In next class we will discuss pollination, how pollen grains are transferred from the anther to stigma. We will discuss in next class. Thank you. For more updates on biology, please subscribe my YouTube channel Laxman Biology.